So this is Mr. Melville. This is Mr. Melville. I was just going to do a couple of problems here for homework, week 8. I'm not going to do like the problem here in number 2. I think most of you have that. We're going to start with parentheses. So with just one set of parentheses, we're just going to write PEMDAS. And we're going to do what's inside this set of parentheses. We got to do the parentheses first. Now, like the complicated ones we were doing last week, this is simpler than that. This is my blue set of parentheses, but I have to follow PEMDAS inside that blue set of parentheses. And here it's pretty easy, but in future problems it won't be so easy. So this is the blue set of parentheses here, right here. So there are no parentheses inside this set of parentheses. There's no exponent. There's no multiplication, division. There's just addition, subtraction. So that makes inside this fairly simple. So remember to just go from right to left. 15 plus 48 would be 63. Minus 3. We still have our blue set of parentheses though, because we're not done. And then here, 60 minus 3 would just be 60. Now we can get rid of my blue set of parentheses. It's done. Now I look to see, are there any exponents? No. There is multiplication, division though. And 60 divided by 4 would be 15. Here we're done because there is no addition, subtraction. Now for number 6. So we're going to start with PEMDAS. And basically we do the parentheses first. We have two sets of parentheses here, but as you can see, the difference between number 8 and number 6 is one parentheses is not inside the other, right? So here it's a lot more basic. So I'm just going to do what's in this first set of parentheses, do what's in the second set of parentheses, and parentheses are done. This is, then we go to exponents. Write everything down. Now it's multiplication, division. So and then addition, subtraction. A simpler problem. Now for number 10, the most complex. So we're going to start with PEMDAS. And inside that PEMDAS, the first thing we do is parentheses. We are going to do the blue set of parentheses first. Inside that set of parentheses, we have to follow PEMDAS again. Inside that set of parentheses is another set of parentheses, and we're going to call them the red set. And inside that, we have yet another problem that we actually have to follow PEMDAS with. There are no parentheses inside the red set, so we don't have to worry about that. But there is exponents. So we've got to do the exponents first. And then got a multiplication division. So no multiplication here, but there is division. I am keeping the red set of parentheses so far until I'm done with them. Now it's addition, subtraction. Now I can get rid of that red set of parentheses. In fact, I'm done with it up here too. So let's write down everything that's in the blue set of parentheses. So that would be 5 squared. And that's it, right? It's the only thing we're adding. So from here, we're done with that set of parentheses, but we need to do the exponent. Here, there's no exponent, there's no multiplication division, there is adding and subtracting, so we'll do that. That's 54. And the last thing, so that's done. Also, the blue set of parentheses is done. Now we need to go through this PEMDAS. So, and exponents comes first. So 4 squared is 16. And then done with that, no multiplication division, but adding and subtracting. So we do need to do our subtraction. Final answer would be 38. We actually did have to go through 3 sets of PEMDAS. PEMDAS for the entire problem, PEMDAS for this part of the problem, and PEMDAS for this part. Oops. PEMDAS for this part of the problem. There we go. Okay.